SUS304 stainless steel tap, and it cost me about $26 in less than 4 years or 2 years. This is the outcome. This is what happens. It's just drip. See, and this is very loose. This is just annoying to stop the dripping, because you need to turn a few times to find the right position so that it doesn't drip. Can you see the rust? It's breaking up inside the tap, little by little. Everything can be done by yourself. You don't need to call someone to do it. You just need to have the right tool. That is handy. The amount you pay for a person to come and do this, equivalent to an amount or less to buy 2 of this. This prevents this guy here from turning, or remove this guy. Turn on the tap so that it will release some pressure from the water build up inside. This is how you change your water tap. It is that simple. You don't need to call someone to do this and pay them $50. Okay, that's it. It is not going to leak. So beautiful. Wonderful, beautiful.